Hi everyone, I am Guinness Saraswati Goyal and I am going to tell you two big reasons why you should say gratitude, why you should be in gratitude, what benefits will you get when you are in that frequency of being in gratitude, and also how to say your morning gratitude. And I'm very sure by the end of this video, when you realize what beautiful benefits you will be getting from saying gratitude, you will be saying gratitude for each and every single thing in your life. So, gratitude is the mother of all emotions. Yes, you heard me right. Gratitude really is the mother of all emotions. If you're feeling sad, start saying thank you for 10 things you have in your life which you're grateful for. If you're feeling angry, hurt, just start saying gratitude. And gratitude need not necessarily be only for big things like a big house or a car. Gratitude can be for very small things in your life. Something as simple as being able to hear the birds chirping or the trees. Do we say our gratitude in the morning when we get up and are able to breathe on our own, or able to walk on our own, or able to see on our own? Are we grateful for these facts? Or have we started taking all these things for granted? Just think about it. So begin your day by saying gratitude. Begin your day by being in that feeling of being blessed. The more you get into this feeling of being in gratitude, all the negative emotions simply vanish away. Try this out. I've tried it many times, and each and every time it has upgraded my frequency. And another very important fact, let me ask you a question first. If someone is coming to your house and you know that the person likes to eat pizza, what would you offer that person? Parantha or pizzas? I'm very sure pizzas. So if we are in gratitude and we are vibrating on that frequency of being in gratitude, what will the universe send us, feed us with? Will not the universe send us more and more people and situations which will make us go into gratitude to fulfill our need of being in gratitude? Will the universe not be sending in more situations? It is a very scientific, magical logic. If we are vibrating at a frequency of gratitude, we are going to attract situations and people which are going to make us be in gratitude all the more. So build that frequency, upgrade your frequency. And how will you upgrade? First, you will start your day by saying gratitude. And how to say that gratitude? We say our gratitude as soon as we get up in the morning, maybe even before getting out of bed. And we have this very beautiful technique. We will make the lotus of gratitude. We'll keep our hands like this, and one by one we will be opening the petals by saying gratitude, and then we will be in gratitude. We will be starting our day with gratitude. So close your eyes, take a long deep breath in, slowly breathe out. I will be saying gratitude for things I am grateful for, and you can say gratitude for things you are grateful about. Take a long deep breath in, breathe out, become aware of the fact that you are able to breathe and feel gratitude for that. Become aware of the fact that you are able to walk on your own, see on your own. Become grateful for each and every beautiful thought you are having. I am thankful for, thankful for, thankful for, thankful for. Start opening the petals. Thank you for. Go deeper and deeper into gratitude. Thank you for. Thank you for. Thank you for. And thank you for. Now feel all the divine blessings simply flowing into this beautiful lotus of gratitude. Whatever you wish to happen in the day, whatever your thoughts are, how the day should go, how the day should be. Just feel the divine blessing you with everything you wish, and simply feel the divine blessings flowing into this beautiful lotus of gratitude. And whatever you have wished for, may it come to true. So be it, so be it, and so be it. Tathastu, tathastu, tathastu. Now simply bring all these blessings, the divine blessings and the healing, closer to your heart and feel them dissolving into your soul, your body, and feel that gratitude and the thought of being blessed. And starting your day on the frequency of being blessed and being in gratitude. Take a long deep breath in, breathe out, becoming aware of your body and your surroundings. You may very slowly open your eyes. Take another long deep breath in and breathe out. How are you feeling? Blessed already? Now that you started your day with this frequency of feeling blessed and being in gratitude, I'm very sure you will be attracting situations and people which will make you feel even more blessed and even more in gratitude. Really do hope that I've added some value to your life. If you really liked my video, do share it then. And subscribe my channels, because I am going to come up with one very more powerful technique which will help you upgrade your frequency. And in case you want to get deeper into this knowledge, please do join my WhatsApp group, the link of which is in the description box below. Hoping I've added some value to your lives. I really do. Stay blessed, stay happy.